So how can you undo the mirror effect on the iPhone? Let's explain that. If it's your first time on Foxtecc, most definitely subscribe so you not miss anything important and no videos in the future. So when you capture photos with the selfie camera, it might either flip them or behave as a mirror, right? So you can change it by going to the settings app of the iPhone generally, and then go to the camera section. And a part of the camera, you can find in here that we have the mirror front camera. And you just have one toggle to enable it or disable it, and not much going on. But the point is that you need to decide how you prefer it. So perhaps leave it turned on, take a picture with the front facing camera, see if you like it, right? And if not, just come back to the setting and turn it off, right? So there isn't like any right method, or no setting is correct technically, because it all comes down to your preference. And I would again recommend you to just play with these settings and take a couple of photos and see which option you prefer more, right? So that's how you can do this. And if you already have the existing photos mirrored and you want to change it later, you can still do it within the Photos app. Just locate your pictures in the gallery as usual, tap on Edit, and then click on the Crop tool. Then at the top left, you can see a button which will mirror the photo like this, and you can perform the change even after capturing the photos through the camera. So that's how it works. Let me know in the comments below if you managed to make it work on your device as well. I appreciate your feedback and support. Stay tuned for more, and I'll see you then.